Are you getting this error on NinjaTrader? Today we'll show you the way to fix this. When launching NinjaTrader, if you get the warning on the right, the problem is being caused by OneDrive syncing your documents folder. When launching NinjaTrader for the first time, be sure to check both boxes, allowing the application to communicate with both private and public networks. As demonstrated, trying to import an indicator causes the application to crash. OneDrive is moving the files into the cloud directory, which is causing an issue. OneDrive Cloud Directory is located here. Now we begin the fixing process. Click on the OneDrive Cloud icon. It could be directly on the taskbar already, or it could be in the Hidden Taskbar Icons section. Click the cog at the top right, then click on Settings. Then click on Manage Backup. Wait a few seconds for the scanning to finish. Then uncheck the Documents folder. Select Stop Backup and choose where to keep files. Then click on Only on my PC, then click Continue. Then wait for the backup to stop. Click on OK. Click on Close. Now inspect your Documents folder. Right-click and go to Properties. The location should be C:\users / your username. If it has OneDrive at the end of the location path, it's not the correct Documents folder. You can go to the correct path directly by doing the following. Click on This PC on the left. Then open the C drive. Then open the Users folder. Then open the folder that is named after your username. Then open the Documents folder. This is your local Documents folder location. Now open Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program. Select NinjaTrader and click on Uninstall. Then once the process is completed, close Control Panel. Then open File Explorer and click on This PC. Open your C drive. Then go to the search box at the top right of the window and search for Ninja. Then wait a while without interrupting the computer for all the files to be found that have the word Ninja in the name. Keep waiting, the search isn't finished. Once the search is finished, select all the files that are associated with NinjaTrader. Do not select any of the files that are in the C/Windows directories. Right-click and delete, then scroll through the list and select the rest of the NinjaTrader files that are remaining. If you get this error, select the checkbox that says, Do this for all current items and click on Skip. Then close File Explorer. Then open the recycle bin and empty it. Then go back to the OneDrive application and ensure that the Documents folder is not being synced. Then restart your PC. Then open your web browser. Search for NinjaTrader and go to the client login portal. If it leads you to the new dashboard, click on the icon on the bottom left to download the NinjaTrader installer. Download the latest release, then run the installer. Be sure to select the desired skin or color theme here. It can't be changed later. Then launch NinjaTrader once the install is finished. If your username isn't autofilled here, you've done it correctly. Now go to Tools, Import NinjaScript Add-on. Wait a few moments. Then open the ZIP file for the indicator you want to import. Click OK. If you get this message telling you the import was successful, the problem is now resolved. Now to confirm, open any chart and click on the indicators icon. Then plot the indicator on your chart, in this case CYMO Pro. Success. Now let's import a second indicator just to be sure. And plot it. Congratulations, your NinjaTrader is now fixed. Be sure to save your workspace. Save and close. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with anyone who is having the same issue.